good morning, kindergarten. It is officially our first day of online learning. My pointer. So the date today, I know I don't have my morning message today, but the date is Tuesday, March 31. And today, kindergarten, we are learning all about the letter X. Okay, this is an uppercase X and a lowercase x. I want you, now you have to do it even though I can't hear you. I want you to make the X sound for me. What do you think it is? What does the X sound make? I'll give you a couple seconds to do it or think about it. If you made the X sound, you are correct. So if you did say it, I want everybody to say the X. Ready, go. Good. Now I have this picture is a picture of a what? Hold a little closer so you can see. Where do you hear the X sound? Is it at the beginning, middle, or end? It's a fox. Ox. Fox. Where do you hear the X? At the end. Good. And now, our last picture, we have a picture of a box. Get your arms out again, make your baseball signs. Ready? We're sounding it out. Ready, set, go. B-A-X. Box. Where do you hear the X sound? Is it at the beginning, the middle, or the end? It is at the end. Good. Now we are going to work on ending sounds, all about the X sound. So there's not many words that start with the X sound, and the words that do start with X would be like X-ray, and that just says its name in the beginning. It doesn't actually give you a sound. So we're going to sound out some words that have the X sound at the end, and we're going to try to blend them all together. All right? The first one is, ready? T-A-X. T-A-X. Tax. Good. The next one we've already done. Fox. Fox. And then, or now I want to do this. We're going to sound two words out, and you're going to do it with me even though I can't hear you. And you are going to tell me, or you're going to tell the computer screen or whoever you're with, what word ends with the X sound. Okay, you ready? Is it fit, fit, or fix? Fix. Which word ends with the X? Is it fit, it, or fix? Fix. If you said fix, you're right. Nicely done. Now, we're going to kind of switch some words around, or switch some letters. So when we say fix, we hear that X at the end, right? The X, fix. What happens if we took the X sound away and we put a T sound at the end? We change the X with the T. So instead of X, we have it, fit. Good. Now let's try with a different word. How about this one? Ready? Wax. Wax. Instead of the x sound at the end, we are going to make the g sound. Wa-ag. Wag. Good. And one more. Ooh, this is an easy one. Just two sounds. Ready? At. 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 So instead of the T, now we're putting the X in. Ax. Ax. Excellent. All right. Now the last thing I want us to work on today is blending some words that have the X sound in it. So I'm going to write a word, and I want you to try blend it together and spell it first, or read it first, and then once I give you a chance to do it, then we will go over it together. Ooh, this might be I'll give you a hint for this first word. This is somebody in our class. What word does that, or is this? It has the X sound at the end of the word. What is it? If you said it was Max, you are correct. We have Ax, Max. So we got Ax, Max. Excellent. And then we have, this might be another easier word for some of us. It's a number word. S-I-X. Six. Good job. It is the number 6. For a bonus question, I want you to tell me why Max's name was capitalized at the capital M and 6 isn't capitalized. You need to tell your computer screen or whoever you're working with. And I know I always say to never do this. Is this how we make a circle on the top of our eye? Do we make a big circle? No. We just put a dot, right? The only reason I made a circle is so you could see it. We're going to do one more, and then we'll do our handwriting packet or worksheet. Last one. Better fix my sky dashes and grass. First letter is R. Second is E. And then the X sound at the end. X. X. Rex. Excellent job. All right, now this is going to be the end of the first video, and then there's going to be one more video helping you with the worksheet. Okay? And kindergarten, we know how to do this, right? The first day of the week, we always practice writing our letter. So this week we are writing the letter X. All right, the top line is going to be all uppercase. The second line is lowercase. And then there'll be 2 words that we have to write. Okay, I'll explain it again, but I just want to give you a little heads up. Thanks for listening.